Hello my friends, how you doing? Yeah, we're in a little different location here, but got another car project. Got my beautiful wife's beautiful 2005 Mustang. Yeah, I know it's a V6 for you power guys, but she loves this car, and it's pristine. Look at the thing. It's 13 years old. It's immaculate. Everything's in great shape. We've been taking good care of it. Anyway, we're doing the alternator. Doing the alternator today. She said the battery light was coming on, or the charging system failure notification was coming on. I took it to AutoZone. They tested the battery's good. They said the alternator's bad. So here we go. Okay, you guys might have noticed I got Corvette on my shirt. So I like Corvettes. Okay, you guys, first thing we're going to do is remove this, and it's just easy to take this all off as one piece, just to have better access to the belt and moving the belt tensioner down there. So we're going to get this off. If you guys are familiar with these, you just got to slide this over and that comes off, and it'll snap right back on. And I've got this loosened already. Okay, one thing you want to do, guys, is just take a picture of the way the belt is. Okay, these should be all the tools we're going to need. Got the 8mm, which I'm going to remove the negative battery terminal. And also, one thing you guys want to do whenever you're doing an alternator is make sure you got a fully charged battery. That way you don't stress out the new alternator right off the bat. It has something to do with diodes and the wearing on the shoes or brushes or whatever. But you always want to, when you put a new alternator on, you want to make sure your battery is fully charged. So that's going to get hooked up. Going to remove the negative battery terminal, and then we'll take this belt off and remove the alternator. But 10mm, 13mm, 15mm, and that should be it. I'll let you know. Okay, so you want to press in right here, and then I'll use the standard screwdriver just to kind of help it come off. Okay, this is 10mm. $13mm. And these two are 15mm. Okay, it's kind of struggling to get by this line right here, but it's so you just kind of got to move that over a little bit. Okay, here's our new alternator. RockAuto.com. You know what? They should really sponsor me, but no, they always get the parts here quick. And they're the cheapest I found. If any of you knows of any cheaper parts warehouses, I'd love to know. Put it down in the comments. Here's our new one. And you subscribers probably recognize Junebug here. If you're not a subscriber, yeah, give us a follow and subscribe. Got all kinds of stuff going on, camping, exploring Arizona. Anyway, I digress. Back to the task. Okay, my Haynes manual is not giving me a torque on these, so I'm just going to go snug plus a little bit. Caught a little bit of the boot underneath there. You want to make sure that boot's in decent shape too, because you don't want any moisture, rain kicking up, whatever. Okay, the belt hasn't moved too much here, so we should just be able to get on that belt tensioner again and just slip the belt right over top here. Okay, just verify check your picture, verify the belt's in the same pattern and in the grooves, and that looks good. There, is that a better shirt? Yeah, I thought you'd say that. Hey, okay, so I went in and got cleaned up, and I let the battery charge, because like I said, you don't want to drain. After you put a new alternator on, you want to make sure the battery is fully charged before you start the car, because it'll overwork. It won't be good for that alternator. So I am going to get that disconnected, and we're going to start it up. Okay, if that alternator is working, it should charge, oh gosh, like 13, 14, 15 is what you should see on this meter, if the alternator is working. And cool, there we go. We have a good alternator. Okay, you guys can do this stuff yourself. It's with these YouTube videos, and just get a Haynes manual and go do it yourself. My gosh, who knows what that would have cost to have it done at some shop. But anyway, hey, we appreciate you guys. Love each and every one of you. God bless you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We've got a lot more car videos, and we'll be taking Junebug out and camping and exploring Arizona. So you guys take care, and God bless again. Bye.